In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more items to an order on Temu, a handy skill for optimizing your online shopping experience. Whether you've just realized you've forgotten a crucial item, or you've spotted one of those must-have deals right after hitting the order button, this guide will help you get those additional items included seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser or fire up the Temu app on your mobile device. Simply go to the TMU homepage by entering the URL in your browser's address bar or tapping the app icon if you're on a smartphone or tablet. Once you've navigated to the main page, you'll need to log into your account. This is essential as it will grant you access to your previous orders and allow you to manage them effectively. Enter your login credentials and sign in, ensuring all the details are correct to avoid any hiccups in the process. Once signed in, direct your attention to the Orders and Accounts section. This is your command center for managing all current and past transactions. From here, you'll want to locate the specific order you plan to modify. After finding the order in question, click or tap on it to open the order details. This will present you with various options related to that particular purchase. The next step is to select the option that allows you to add more items to your existing order. It might be listed as add more items to order or something similar, depending on your platform version. By choosing this, you're indicating that you'd like to include additional products in the shipping package already en route. Now comes the fun part, browsing for your desired additional items. Explore the Temu marketplace to find that perfect item you initially missed. You can either search directly if you have something specific in mind, or leisurely peruse the categories to see what catches your eye. After you've identified the new item you wish to purchase, go ahead and click Add to Order. Adding this item to your order ensures it will be processed in conjunction with your existing purchase, streamlining the delivery. Once the item has been successfully added, you can decide whether to continue shopping or proceed to checkout to finalize your transaction. If you choose to keep shopping, feel free to add more items as needed, repeating these steps as necessary. And there you have it, an efficient and straightforward method to enhance your shopping experience on Temu. Now you can ensure none of your desired products are left behind. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.